In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. We'll walk through how to connect the Notion app to a specific list inside ClickUp using the built-in Apps menu. This is great if you're organizing work in ClickUp and want to bring Notion into your flow without leaving the list you're already working in. First, open ClickUp and navigate to the exact list where you want this integration available. Make sure you're actually inside that list, not just the space or folder level. If you're not sure, glance at the top breadcrumb and confirm it ends with your list's name. You can reach it from the left sidebar or by using the search bar to find the list quickly. Once you're in the list, look for the More menu. This is usually the three-dot icon near the top right of the list view. Click that to reveal additional options that aren't shown in the main toolbar. If you don't see it, try widening your browser window or switching the view back to List. Some actions can be hidden on smaller screens. From the More menu, select Apps. This opens the Apps panel where you can discover and manage integrations that enhance your list. Think of this panel as your catalog of add-ons tailored to your current location in ClickUp. In the Apps panel, use the search field and type the word Highlight. This narrows the results and surfaces the items we want for this walkthrough. You should now see a matching set of apps. Keep an eye out for the Notion option in the results. Click on Notion to open its details. Here, you'll get a short description and see what it connects with. This page helps confirm you're about to connect the right app to the right place in your workspace. Finally, click Connect. ClickUp will begin linking the Notion app to your list. You'll see the interface update to reflect the connection status. If your permissions are limited, you might need an admin to enable integrations at the workspace level, so keep that in mind. When the connection shows as active, you're done. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the Apps menu doesn't open or the Notion tile doesn't appear after searching Highlight, try clearing the search term and scanning the full list, then re-enter Highlight carefully. Also, refreshing the page after connecting can help the new app load cleanly in your list context. That's it. Your list now has the Notion app connected through the Apps menu in ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.